Good morning, children. Welcome back. In previous class, we started our new chapter, that is lesson number 3, Landforms and Reasons of India. The previous video, we discussed about meaning of landforms. Even we completed 4 landforms. They are mountains, plains, deserts, and peninsulas. Today class we learn about another two landforms. They are plateaus and islands. Let us continue, children. Plateaus. First we read about plateaus. Plateaus, these landforms are bolder, flatter and higher than the plains around them. These landforms are bolder, broader, flatter and higher than the plains around them. Plateaus are also called tablelands. What are plateaus called? Tablelands because of its leveled surface. Why it is called tablelands? Because of its leveled surface. A plateau is an area of raised land that is flat on top. What do you mean by plateau? Plateau means prasthabhumi, ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಪ್ರದೇಶ. In Indian Peninsula, being a plateau is called the Indian Peninsular Plateau or Deccan Plateau. The Indian Peninsula being a plateau is called Indian Peninsular Plateau or Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is lies to South Indo-Gangetic Plains and covers most of lower half of India. It means here we know that Deccan Plateau. This is a Deccan Plateau. See, look at this picture, children. This is our Deccan Plateau. What are these plateaus' uses? What are the uses of plateaus? Plateaus are very useful because it is store of minerals. Minerals means kanijagalu that are used as raw materials for industries. It is used for raw materials for many industries. It provides us with food materials and raw materials for our industries. These the lava plateau are the rich in black soil, good for cultivation. Cultivation means krushi. Cultivation means krushi. It receives water from big rivers like Narmada, Godavari, Krishna, as well as Kaveri. These four rivers are very important in that. These rivers largely rain feed and therefore draw in hot summer months. Look at this picture, children. This is Narmada River. Narmada River is one of the major rivers which flow in central and western India. Next one is Godavari River. River is a scaled river of central and southeast India. Next one is Krishna River. Krishna River is one of the largest rivers of India as well as it is also a scaled river for the Hindus. Last one is Kaveri River. The Kaveri River is rises at Talakaveri on the Brahmagiri range in Western Ghats. These rivers are largely rain-fed and therefore go dry in the hot summer. Next one is, this is Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is the sometimes called the roof of the world and is the world's highest and largest plateau. Which is the highest and largest plateau, children? Yes, the Tibetan Plateau is the highest and largest plateau in the world. The Tibetan Plateau is largest in the world. Next one is islands. Islands means Nadugadde. Islands are landforms surrounded on all sides by water. Islands are landforms that are surrounded on all sides by water. Look at this picture, children. As island is an area of land that is surrounded by water. Islands can be found in all bodies of water. Islands can be found in all bodies of water from rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. In India, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep Islands are some major island in India. In India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands are some major islands in India. This is Andaman and Nicobar Island and this is Lakshadweep Island. This is a island. Four sides are water and middle is land. Now children, today we learn about landforms and regions of India. Here we let us read once again. Landforms are present on the earth in the form of mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, peninsulas, and islands. There are different types of landforms. They are mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, peninsulas, and islands. First one is this mountains. Mountains are huge landforms rising very high over the earth's surface and their surroundings hills are similar landforms but are not as tall as mountains. Next is plains are vast expanses of land that are flat and fertile. Next is plateaus are raised landforms with a high and flat surface. A desert is a region with a dry climate due to poor or no rainfall. It supports little or no vegetation at all. A peninsula is a landform surrounded on its three sides by water and one side by land. Island are small landforms that are surrounded on all sides by water bodies. These are the landforms in our India. So children, once again see all videos and read about landforms. What are the important in our landforms? So children, look at this picture once again and read it. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you children. Read it once again, all the lesson in your textbook. Okay children?